baby's got 4,544 miles on it. It's got a 2-up riding setup on it. Stock, these don't have the pillion and the passenger pegs. It's got a aftermarket air cleaner, and it has what looks like Python mufflers on it. It has front and rear LED turn markers, and it also has an LED headlight. It's got some really desirable things to keep your visibility up on the road. Pretty low mileage. It's the charcoal denim, I believe. Just got traded in. And Sportsters are hard to come by right now. They're going pretty quick. So if you're in the market for a relatively low mileage Sportster, now's the time.